I bet you didn't know charging could be this stylish and efficient. Introducing the Xiaomi Magnetic Power Bank 6000 mAh. This sleek Qi2-certified powerhouse is now available in Europe. With 15W wireless charging, it's perfect for quick power boosts on the go. Need even more speed? Switch to 20W USB-C wired charging. Say goodbye to charging hassles with pass-through charging. Charge your devices and the power bank at the same time. And for iPhone 12 or newer users, the magnetic attachment ensures a stable charge. Plus, it features a built-in folding stand, perfect for hands-free use. Wrapped in stylish tan nano leather, it's not just functional, it's fashionable too. Compact and portable, it fits right in your bag or pocket. All this for just £39.99 in the UK or €44.99 in Italy. Don't miss out. Visit the official Xiaomi website or authorized retailers to grab the Xiaomi Magnetic Power Bank 6000 mAh today. Stay charged, stay stylish. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates.